So what we have going on here, again, the first thing is that by providing a parameter in our parameter list, we must provide that data. Second thing is that that method now has access to that data that is named in the same way that our parameter is. In fact, if I click on it, I do this a lot just to show people that things aren't magic. The names that I use in this program are very specific, in so much as in order to access this data, we must use the same name as the parameter that we called it. In this case, we call the parameter line. Therefore, there's now a variable inside of this method that has the name of line and the type of string. In fact, if I mouse over it, it says parameter string line. So again, a parameter allows us to alter how our method works. But we can alter how our method works from the invocation, which makes our methods a lot more reusable.